Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Manipulating Charts, Part 2. Before any chart can be manipulated, it must first be highlighted. When the chart is highlighted, the three tabs, Design, Layout and Format, will become visible. Under the Design tab, the Chart Layouts tool is an efficient way of formatting the chart layout. Watch how I apply various chart layouts to the selected chart. The layout diagrams indicate the included elements in the chart layout. The Chart Styles tool can be used to quickly change the selected chart's appearance. Watch how I apply various chart styles to the selected column chart. Elements of a chart, such as a series, can be customized without using the Styles tool. To customize a series, first highlight it by left-clicking on it. In this case, I have highlighted the series Colin. Once the series is selected, use the tools under the Format tab to customize it. Use the Shape Fill tool to change the color of the selected series. To change the color of a single column, left-click on the column whilst the series is selected. Now a single column is selected, use the Shape Fill tool again to change the color. The same principles work with any chart type, i.e. pie charts, line charts, etc. Watch how I change the color of a single point in the selected pie chart. Under the Shape Fill tool, there are other fills available, such as texture. Shape effects can also be applied to a selected point using the Shape Effects tool. Gradients can be applied to a selected point using the Shape Fill tool. Another element of a chart which can be customized is the chart title. To customize the title, first highlight the content inside the text box. Use the Text Fill tool to change the color of the text. Text fills also include gradients. The Text Effects tool can be used to add additional effects to the selected text. Word art styles are a quick alternative to formatting selected text. Chart titles can also be customized using the tools on the Font toolbar under the Home tab. Watch how I use the Font tools to manipulate the selected chart title. Data labels show additional information on the chart, for example, percentages and values. To add data labels, right-click on the chart and then select Add Data Labels. To change the data labels, right-click on the chart and select Format Data Labels. Use the Format Data Labels dialog box to select the label options, i.e. percentage, value. I have added the percentage and category name data labels to the selected chart.